Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify store for your clothing brand. First, you will choose a memorable name and register your unique domain, which is crucial for brand recognition. Next, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business size and budget, perhaps starting with the basic plan at $29 per month. Finally, design your store's visual identity by selecting and customizing a compelling theme to reflect your brand's aesthetic. Now, let's add your amazing products. Upload high-quality images from multiple angles and write detailed, engaging descriptions that highlight features and benefits. Organize your clothing items into logical collections, like dresses or men's tees, making navigation easy for customers. Remember to set up product variants for different sizes, colors, and materials, ensuring customers can select exactly what they want from your unique offerings. Next, we tackle the operational essentials. Configure your shipping zones, rates, and delivery options, perhaps offering free shipping over $75 to encourage larger orders. Integrate secure payment gateways like Shopify Payments or PayPal to ensure smooth customer transactions. Crucially, establish clear refund policies, privacy policies, and terms of service pages to build trust and comply with legal requirements, protecting both your business and your customers. Finally, it's time to prepare for launch and attract your first customers. Optimize your store for search engines by using relevant keywords in product titles and descriptions. Plan your initial marketing campaigns, perhaps offering a 10% discount for first-time buyers. Before going live, thoroughly test your entire store functionality, from adding items to the cart to completing a purchase, ensuring a seamless shopping experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.